Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today, we're taking a look at some of our top easy to install items that you can add to your brand new Jeep Wrangler JL to not only improve the time you spend behind the wheel of your Jeep, but add some additional functionality and features that make your Jeep more enjoyable. Now, if you want to check out these items as well as an expanded list of items, you can do so by clicking that info button to head over to quadratec.com. You can also check out our full 2-page spread in our latest holiday catalog. So why don't we dive right into some of the interior and exterior upgrades, like our quick release mirrors that you can add for great doors off driving, helping to keep you street legal and allow you to see traffic and obstacles around your vehicle, whether you're cruising down the road or the trail. Now, these quick release mirrors have a bracket that mounts right here to the cowl area, compatible with all trim level Wranglers, and you can leave the bracket installed when the doors go back on, and installing the actual mirror arm and head available in your choice of a round or square head. It is as simple as installing the arm and securing it with the included thumb screw. When it's time to put the doors back on, simply remove the thumb screw and stash the mirrors away until you're ready to use them again. Now, if you're going to be headed off-road and spending some time on the trails, you're likely going to be carrying some dirt, debris, mud, snow into your vehicle, so you want to keep your floors protected with some of our True Fit floor liners. You can see that these liners are super easy to install and remove when it comes time to clean out your Jeep after a fun day of adventuring off-road. They provide nice tall sides to keep water, mud, debris contained in the liner, feature a nice anti-slip grip pattern textured right onto the bottom, and with those two anchors, they'll snap right into the factory floor liner anchors, keeping them secured in place, available for front seat passengers, rear seat passengers, and the cargo area as well, with different models available to fit each trim level Wrangler, including the 4xe models with a slightly different shaped rear cargo area. Now, right here in this same area, we also have our Quadratec door sill entry guards, a simple and easy to install entry guard that secures in place with some double-sided VHB tape and helps keep that high scuff prone area protected from damage when you're climbing in and out of your Jeep. Again, keeping all 4 door sills nice protected, adding that same great hexagon pattern that we see on the True Fit floor liners and a great Quadratec logo right there in the center. Moving on up, we've got some great grab handles that install easily to the sport bars, simply using the factory screws already in place. You can get these installed in a matter of minutes with simple hand tools, giving your front and rear seat passengers some additional places to grab onto when you're cruising down the road with this great paracord woven handle and Quadratec logo on that nylon webbing strap. We've got a great steering wheel cover up here with Jeep logos all around, perforated simulated leather grips, give you a comfortable place to grab that steering wheel and keep that factory leather nice and protected. Now, when you're cruising down the road or the trail, you're going to want somewhere to stash your phone, and with the Tactic cup holder phone mount, it installs easily right into one of your unused cup holders with a simple twist of the knob. These expanding bars securely lock it in place, and the head of that cup holder phone mount expands in multiple directions to securely grab any size phone that you may have, allowing you to twist it to the perfect angle for hands-free use and viewing, and it puts it right there in close proximity to that factory USB connector to keep your phone charged and keep you connected to your CarPlay or Android Auto functionality of your radio. Now, if we move around to the other side of the Jeep, I can show you some more items designed around functionality and organization, like the Overland Outfitters Grab Handle Organizer. Installs super easy by simply slipping the flap over the grab handle and securing it with that hook and loop fastener, giving you multiple pockets here to easily stash things like your passenger's cell phone or maybe some quick deflators when it's time to head off the pavement and down the trail. We've also got some similar products on the back side of the front seats from Overland Outfitters, like their grab-and-go storage bags here that attach right under the headrest And with the zippered flap, you can simply detach that bag and take it with you when you're leaving the vehicle. And then when it's time to stash it back away, you can simply connect it right back to that zippered attachment point, keeping everything in your Jeep neatly organized. Now, if I slide this passenger seat forward, we can check out a hidden feature. The Lost Canyon security storage box that's secured right here under the passenger seat. When that seat is slid back, anyone walking by your Jeep is not going to have the faintest idea that you have a secure storage area hidden away. The simple twist of a key, we can slide out that security storage drawer, the perfect place to stash away valuables you want to ensure stay secure when you're away from your vehicle. It installs easily by simply slipping it right underneath of the rear two mounting points of that passenger side seat. Again, all of these items are designed to be installed in a matter of minutes. You could probably install everything I talked about here today in under an hour from start to finish, adding a bunch of functionality to your new Wrangler, making the time you spend in your Jeep that much more enjoyable. Now, if you want to find out more information about any of the products I talked about today, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. You can also check out our expanded list of easy to install products for your new Wrangler there, or in our latest holiday catalog. As always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.